This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, February 10th, 2015. And now our first look at the 0Z GFS model run. This is at noon today. We have system coming in from the north and west. This is going to be bringing us a pattern change. It's going to be bringing us colder air that could be lasting for several days across the area. And as you can see, it's going to be bringing a system that could bring a little bit of snow, freezing rain, freezing drizzle, sleet across our northern counties. Doesn't look to be a big problem. Could be a few problems on the roads. But highs today mainly in the low 30s north to the mid 40s southwest. You can say goodbye to the 40s. They're going to be gone. You can say goodbye to the 30s. They're going to be gone. Because on Wednesday, you see the north winds coming straight down, this high pressure coming in from the northwest. Wind chills will be below zero on Wednesday. Temperatures will be steady or falling in the afternoon. With lows Thursday morning, we could see lows Thursday morning near zero, a couple degrees below to a couple degrees above. Highs on Thursday, maybe in the teens to lower 20s. It starts to increase a little bit as we move into Friday. You can see a system moving just to our north and east could produce a few flurries. Could even produce some around here, but that's going to bring another high pressure down, and this one is stronger than the last one, so we could see lows back below zero again by Saturday and especially Sunday morning, where we could see temperatures well below zero, maybe teens below zero in our northeastern counties. Then looking into Sunday, you can see a system comes in behind that high, could bring a little bit of light snow into the area here on Sunday. Doesn't look to be too big of an issue at this point. We'll keep watching to see if that changes. As we move into Monday, the winds start to turn around to the south. The temperatures start to come back up, maybe back into the 20s to maybe some 30s in our southwestern counties if there's any snow on the ground. That could temper that down. And then as we look toward next Tuesday, you can see the flow, somewhat of a deep trough or a trough over the northern tier of the country. You can see the flow coming from Alaska down into the Rockies and then sweeps across the Great Lakes into the north and east. You can see another high pressure is coming in from the north and west. So it looks like this cold air is just going to keep reinforcing itself at least for a week. And as we move even further along, this is the 21st of February. You can see now the flow is mainly out of the west. You can see a trough axis off to our west with a disturbance there. Would be something we'll have to watch. At the surface, you can see that over the southwest. We have to watch these storms that are over the southwest and see if they might hook toward us. Doesn't look like it, but you never know. So that might be something we'll have to watch in a week or so. The end of the forecast on the 25th. Now we have this cutoff low pretty much over the Ohio Valley, Tennessee River Valley, the Great Lakes. Another system over the Rockies, but it's a system off to our south and east. It could be producing quite a bit of precipitation there. It could even be producing it around here. Temperatures may be back to near seasonal levels by that point, but this is 2 weeks from now or more, and things could change. We'll have to see. Satellite image from last evening. We had a system moving off the east coast, brought quite a bit of precipitation across New England once again. Our system to the northwest is the one that's coming in later today, and it's going to bring the cold air with it. Elsewhere across the country, it was fairly quiet. Watch warning map doesn't look very quiet. Some winter weather issues over New England down to the mid-Atlantic. Some winter weather advisories and freezing rain advisories from across the northern plains, Minnesota, and up through the Rockies. Elsewhere, fairly calm at this point. The QPF chart precipitation for the next 5 days through Saturday evening at 6 o'clock, showing a little bit around here, mainly in the form of some drizzle, freezing rain, snow later today. Otherwise, heaviest over New England and the Northwest.